Hey everybody, we're back, and what we've done is we've hooked up a car with a Katy style coupler, a regular knuckle coupler, if you could see it there, and the other side is a horn hook. So this is the transition or adapter car. And now we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 car train. They haven't been lubed up. They are improperly weighted. So I don't think that they're a safe train to run. What do I mean by that? I mean that they're not going to hold on to the turns and things like that. So there's no flying around the layout with that. And of course, this thing is like glued in here, which is crazy. I mean, this thing doesn't want to come out. Which is, wow. I mean, it is like sealed in. Wow. Crazy.